Make sure the unit is set to inches, not pixels. Now upload your picture, just drag it into Canva or click the Uploads tab. Choose a clear photo with a plain background, preferably white or off-white. Next, click on your photo and use the background remover tool. Canva usually gets it right automatically, but you can brush any small areas manually. Now resize your photo so the head and shoulders fit the frame. Keep the head centered and leave enough space around it. You can nudge it with the arrow keys if you want a cleaner alignment. Then open the Adjust panel and tweak the brightness or contrast slightly. Try to keep everything natural since passport photos can't be heavily edited. If you need multiple copies, create a 4x6-inch design and place the 2x2 photo several times. Just copy and paste it 4 or 6 times depending on how many you want to print. Once you're satisfied, click Share and download the final image as a PNG for the best quality. And that's how to make a passport-size photo in Canva. Super easy, super quick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.